Starting over financially can feel like the worst possible outcome. New job, empty savings, debt still there, and a quiet voice saying, "I shouldn't be here." Today we're talking about starting over, and why it's not failure. It's a reset. Money Café felt slow that morning. Sam looked tired. Mia was quiet. Leo watched the door. Sam finally said it. "I'm basically starting over." Sam didn't say it out loud, but he felt it. Like starting over erased everything he'd done before. But progress doesn't disappear. Experience stays. Starting over hurts because we compare it to where we thought we'd be. But money paths aren't straight. They loop. They pause. They restart. Mia shared her story. Career change, pay cut, savings reset. At first, it felt like loss. Later, it felt like freedom. When you start over, your first job isn't growth, it's stability. Income, housing, food. You rebuild the floor before adding anything else. Ignore investing advice. Ignore hustle culture. Ignore timelines. Starting over is not the time for optimization. It's the time for calm. Leo admitted he rushed a reset once, tried to fix everything fast, took risks he didn't need to. Starting over rewards patience, not speed. The rebuild order is simple. Stabilize income, cover essentials, create a small buffer, reduce pressure. Growth comes later. Order removes overwhelm. When starting over, small wins matter more. First paycheck, first saved dollar, first calm month. Confidence returns quietly. Mr. Carter said it simply. Starting over has no deadline. Anyone rushing you doesn't understand recovery. Long-term goals come back after stability returns, when stress drops. When life feels predictable again, there's no prize for doing it early. Success while starting over isn't being ahead, it's being steady, still intentional, still moving forward without panic. Let's recap. Starting over isn't failure. Stability comes first. Ignore comparison. Small wins rebuild confidence. Calm beats speed. Next time at Money Cafe, we zoom out. Long-term thinking, patience, and how to build wealth without feeling rushed. I'll see you in Season 2, Episode 10.